Hello everyone, this video is about how to use the UCS command. So let's get started. So of course you will type the UCS. So this is about 3D na po 2D. Okay? So ito lang sang set. So UCS, type UCS, and then these are the options that will that will show. So the default option is specify UCS origin. So just click it here wherever you want mo sunod ra ng UCS. Okay, or you can type UCS. Let's say for example ito lang i-conceptual lang. So for example UCS naka-on ba? Ito lang na yun. So as you can see pwede na po mo type og UCS and then kaning origin pwede na mo type og coordinates. So for example 1, 1. So mo na siya coordinate 1, 1. Nabalhin na siya automatic ito. Let's say for example manata rectangle diri. We have a rectangle and then we will move this UCS. Just type UCS and then click wherever you want it to be. So click this one, enter. Automatically na siya da. Okay, so next UCS face. So say for example this is our object. Using the UCS face, select this UCS face and then wherever surface you want to select, dito na siya mabutang. The UCS will follow there and then it will automatically position itself nga the XY axis. Balik ko na ta. The UCS will automatically be placed in this surface and then it will automatically position itself where the X and Y axis lies on this surface. So I will click this one. As you can see mauna na siya, pero pwede pa na ninyo i-flip ha, but I suggest mauna gina siya yung gamiton. So XY, so the XY axis mauna siya may tabo. Now notice kaniha i-accept na ko. Notice this view cube, what will happen. This is the top, front, and right side. Now if I will accept that one, the top is na another is a previously right side view. Now why did that happen? Because here in AutoCAD, the XY axis, the view of the XY axis will always be the top view. So the 2D drawing will always be on the top view. This XY axis is the 2D drawing. The Z is the 3 dimension ano niya. So this is the 2D drawing, again XY axis. Okay, so let's say for example you will make a circle here. Sorry wala na ko na yung then yun, press pull para bangag, or you will make a cylinder or maybe rectangle aridre. Oops, pwede ra pod nani, press pull op kani regarding the press pull pwede ra pod kana na. Now if we will transfer it here because we want to do some drawings in the surface, UCS face and then click this one, accept, and then you can make drawings here. Okay, so that's it. That's how to use the UCS face. Now next is the UCS name. Now UCS name, as you can see, we have set this UCS. So I will make another name UCS. So just save that one. So as you can see, you are prompted to save the name of the UCS that currently is used. Now let's say for example sample 3 naghimo namang say xxx lang, xxx na lang, enter. Now na save na ni siya. Now let's say for example we return or revert back this is into UCS world. Now this is the default UCS. Now if we will use the UCS name, then we need to restore the UCS that we have made, xxx, enter. So automatically it reverted back to this UCS that we have made, the xxx. Now all of the named UCS, you will see it here in this the coordinates nga part sa home tab or menu of the ribbon. So as you can see here, nasa top, bottom, nasa top, bottom. So you can see the UCS, and then if we will use the xxx, the name UCS that we made, this is what will happen. Okay, so that's how to use the UCS name. Now the next one is UCS object. So some of you have already used this one. Let me revert it back to UCS world. So I highly suggest in making your drawing, especially if you are done with your drawing, always revert it back to UCS world. Okay, so that whomever will open the drawing or use the drawing or edit your drawing, he or she will not be confused regarding the orientation of your UCS or your drawing, or yes, the orientation of your drawing with regards to the views, the top, front, and so on and so forth. Okay, so now UCS object. Now the UCS object, some of you use this one in our previous activity, which was the auxiliary projection. Now let's say for example, this is the line that you have made, or mao ni siya ang katong diagonal line in your auxiliary projection. This is for those who don't know this one yet. Okay, so regarding the ani so maayo ni siya actually. So nindot gyud ang gibuhat ato nila. Ganan kay ko silang gibuhat. It's because even though I have taught you my technique or my way of doing the auxiliary drawing, nag-research kapon sila. Maybe they are not able to understand sa ako ang pamaagi. So they have found another way nga mas convenient para nila. Now because of that, pag kita na ko ngayon natong ilang gibuhat na I remember nga pwede gid nang buhaton. So because dili na to akong permi nga gibuhat, ako naandan nga gibuhat, nalimot na ko nga pwede dito buhaton. So thank you ato nila. So inanaunta po ang inyong buhaton, naot kamutanan, dili man ginatanan, but hopefully daghan ninyo mag-research gyud mao na nga gipa-research kita mo kay para daghan tag makatunan. Dili lang kamo makaton ako, kamo makaton sa inyong kagalingon, unya ako pod makaton ninyo. And of course, if I will learn from you, I can share it to many more students. Okay, so kanara, so segue to siya. Now let's go, let's use the UCS object. Now if I click this one, the XY axis will automatically this will become automatically the top view. Maset ang XY axis. Of course, this is the 2D plane. So let's say for example, we will make a rectangle. Ano na siya? Circle. So kana, di ba, mag-auxiliary view mo. Project na lang mo. So that's the benefit of this one. Okay, just don't forget to revert it back to UCS world, because let's say for example you will make text ani so ani po ng mahitabo. Okay, so kung ang atong text is not set as diagonal, so balik na to sa UCS world. So let's say text, so just be careful na lang gina. Okay, so that's how to use this as object. Now UCS previous is the UCS that it will revert back to the UCS, the previous UCS that we previously used. So this is our current UCS. Now the previous UCS was the one that we use in the option object. Now if we use the previous UCS previous, it will revert it back to that. Okay, so kana makaroon na siyang UCS previous. Now UCS view, let's say for example this is our south is isometric view. Okay, so view meaning yan lang ko na-explain ninyo. So view, south is isometric view. Now because this is our view, using the UCS view, may naani ang forma sa itong UCS. This is what will happen to the UCS view. So mo 2D na siya in this plane. So this is our new plane, the south is isometric. So let's say for example I will make a rectangle. Now I will revert it back to UCS world. If I will orbit this one, so you can see nakaslant siya. Okay, so because this is the view, the south is isometric, we made this one in a south is isometric view. Okay, now let's say for example front. So as you can see, the x and y axis lies on the same plane, right? So if I will make a circle here, I will not see ang forma sa circle, right? But if I will view it on the top view, makita na ako. Kay tungod ang xy plane nakainani man nakahigda. Now kung gusto ta, if we want to show our 2D drawing in this view, of course we can use the UCS face if we want it to draw, we want it to be on the surface. But another way, kung dili lang ta diri nga surface, if we will not work in the surface, we use the UCS view. So let me show you UCS view. So as you can see, the XY axis change position. Okay, so if I will make a circle na nako dire, so UCS world, so ani na siya. Okay, so hopefully you understand that one. Paspasan lang tani para dili kita sa video sa mo 40 minutes. Now UCS world, of course, sige na ito gibalik-balik. That is the default UCS form. Now UCS XYZ. So notice XYZ, as you can see, specify rotation angle. So it will rotate on a 90 degrees angle. So let's say for example I will enter that one. as you can see, the x-axis did not move, because if we will use the UCS X, it means that the x-axis is the pivot, so only the z and y-axis will rotate or move or change position. So now dili kay siya noticeable. Ato na balik ka na. UCS X NT. So as you can see, but dili ka ninyo manotice another way. As you can see, nato siya nga paagisa now. You can set the UCS para gamit lang. You will only use you can use your cursor in determining the form of the UCS icon or the position of the UCS icon using the UCX, let's say for example XYZ or X lang sa so X axis. So just type UCS, this one, select mode, type 0, sakto ba, select mode, and then UCS, enter, then balik ta sa Y ha. Sorry, UCS, delete to siya, select mode UCS select mode, one day siguro select mode, UCS delete po siya, display settings, sagit ano siya, nana siya dagan dire actually, space is view, so kani siya mag select mode magini siya, display settings, let me see ha, dili ni siya mao UCS kani dai sakto naman dagi, wala ra siya na effect kaniha. So ano siya, UCS X. So as you can see, wherever I point my cursor or the cursor, the XYZ rotates, sorry, the XY axis rotates but not the X. So this is the pivot. Ito na, balik ko na. UCS UCS select mode. One gid siya. Ano ka to ganiya? I don't know. Kung i-zero ninyo, zero na ninyo. So inato may tabo UCS, enter, so X. So dili ninyo siya ma-rotate using your cursor, but you will type the angle. Okay, so ako lang balik mas ganan mo ka to. So it depends on you, what is the more convenient one to use. UCS select mode 1. Okay, then UCS, let's say for example UCS Y. So only the only the Z axis are moved or rotated. The Y axis is the pivot. Same pod sa Z axis. Z. Okay. Now UCS Z axis, ang nakalahian ni siya is dili ni siya pivot. It is like you are holding the Z axis, and then all of the other axes will move along the Z axis. So let me show you. So sorry. UCS na pa dito ay option. UCS Z axis. As you can see, we are asked to specify the origin point of the object. We can click wherever we want, or kani siya 0 0, this is the coordinate, 0 0 0, this is the coordinate, XYZ coordinate. Now just enter that one. So as you can see, if I will move my cursor, this is what will happen. So Z axis will move, and it's like we're holding the Z axis, and then all the other axes will also move. Okay, so that's it. I think mauna na siya, mauna gid. Okay, so that's all about the UCS. Now pakapinday na I have noticed some AutoCAD settings regarding this one katong UCS face gani. Mao ba to na explain ba to nako gani? Murag wala siguro. Sige, balik ko nang nako, nalimot na ko na. UCS. Now, if we will use the UCS face, mao gani siya, depende ra po sa inyong convenience, but as like the AutoCAD or the Autodesk made improvement sa ilang system nga dili na lang kinahanglan mo yung gamit og UCS face, nga automatic na siya. Let's say for example, you will make a circle just like this one. You will make a circle in the surface, di na mo gamit og UCS face, but I believe the UCS face is more not really convenient but more accurate compared to using just this one kaning automatic siya. So let me show you. Let's say for example, circle, this surface is selected, makahimo na kog circle dire automatic. So wala gyud nakita kung circle, mao na akong giingon niyo. So dili kay siya kung gamiton na tong UCS face, mas sigurado ta nga nakahimo gyud dire. So balik lang ta circle. Kanina nakahimo kog circle. So extrude ni nako na. So naagid siya diri nga surface. Okay? Let's say for example, circle. Ari ko diri mag circle na, and then pa siyang bangagan. So automatic na siya na. So some of you dili siya automatic. Some of you this settings is not set. So what you will do if you want your settings to become like this, just type UCS detect and then type to 1. 0 naman yung 1. So if for example sa inyo 0, mauton din niyo ma-select. So let's say for example circle, so din na ako ma-select, diba? So I need to use the UCS face. Now UCS detect 1. So balik na ta. Okay, so maura na inyong buhaton kung ganahan man kung di po mo ganahan. So kita mo na ay natong panghitabo, basta kana detect lang sa surface. So if you will use the UCS surface, the face, sureball gina siya nga naagi na siya diya lapita. So circle naagi na siya diya. So kung saan panaghimo, na ako na-click ato sa likod. Apo ko na-click ato dito. Dili po din mo maora gida So depende ra sa atong convenience gida So mao mong gani siya kung nandan kay kaning UCS face, kay wala pa man to sa una ang katong inato nga UCS detect. Wala pa ba to? Or wala lang ko kabalon saan to paggamit? Most probably, I don't know. 2007 wala pa gid siguro. Anyway, so mauna to, nagamit na to ni tanan, and then katong mga pakapin. So hopefully mas paspas na yung paghimo sa inyong drawing. Okay, so I hope you learned a lot regarding UCS in this video. So if you have questions regarding this one, please don't hesitate to ask. So importante gyud kana mga tana mo even bisag dili sa atong subject. So always remember na agid na yung mga tao nga masuko pangutan-on, dili gid sila ganan sige balik-balik, but bahala na lang. The important thing is that makaton ta nya, kay sige man ta pangutana, of course we listen the mistake nga atong mahimo. So kung di mo mangutana, may tabuan na, of course na ako'y dili to bagon gid sa inyong mga pangutana, especially if I have discussed that one or gusto ko nga kamo mismo ang magkat-on or mosabot, not magkat-on, mosabot sa kung unsa inyong pangutana, kung sa itubag sa inyong pangutana. So para po na ma-enhance po ang inyong analytical skills. unya katong giingon ako ninyo na ginay dili ganahan magsibalik-balik og pangutana, pero mas maayo na lang ang mangutana mo nga masakton, mangutana mo ang kasabaan mo pero sakto yung gibuhat kaysa di mo mangutana 50-50 na ug masayop mo kasabaan gyapon mo. So double edge kung dili mo mangutana nya masakton yung gibuhat, siguro i-praise mo pero mostly dili na kana nila mapansin. So ang hunaw-hunaon lang gyud ninyo or nato apil man gyud ko, ang importante, pinaka-importante sa tanan nga sakto ang atong gibuhat. Okay, so hopefully katon mo, and that ends my video. Nagsegue na po ko, so thank you and goodbye ba, see you in the next video day. Hindi man na po ko lang yung video. Thanks.